Hello friends, warm greetings from TNVAKADEMI. Today in this session, we are going to discuss about ISO 22006, which is for crop protection quality management. So let's begin our session. Farmers can now develop their complete presentation and financial results, as well as growth client services and approval with a new ISO standard for applying an ISO 9001 quality management system QMS for crop production. The new standard ISO 22006-2009 Quality Management System Guiding Principles for the application of ISO 9001-2008 to crop production can be used with farm operations of any size, increasing all kinds of food, feed and non-food crops. ISO 22006-2009 delivers step-by-step guidance through the necessities of ISO 9001-2008 with a practical approach to crop operations. The standard delivers relevant subject-specific tips and suggestions and uses agricultural terminology. Among its unique features is a user-friendly movement diagram listing all the farm operations happenings to support determine how they fit together and where there is a requirement for development ISO 22006-2009. Offers subject-specific suggestions and uses agricultural terminology. Includes a user-friendly flow diagram listing all the farm operation actions to support determine how they fit together and where there is a requirement for enhancement. Highlights the each quality management principles for QMS and relates them to crop production. Does not add or change any of the necessities in QMS and is not intended for certification, although it can be a valuable tool in helping make for certification to QMS. ISO 22006-2009 highlights the 8 quality management principles that deliver a basis for QMS and relates them to crop production. Client focus, leadership, involvement of people, procedure approach, system approach to management, continual development, factual approach to decision making, and mutually helpful supplier relationships. So we have now come to the conclusion of this session. I hope that you are able to understand about ISO 22006 standard. Still, if you have any questions or queries, then please put them in the comment section of the video and we will be really happy answering them. Till meet next, special resource from TNVAKADEMI. Thank you.